Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. In this video, let us learn how to enable auto import facility in Android Studio. So first of all, let me type something here. For example, I want to define a button. Then type button and then type space bar. Then you can see here, button is turned into red color and it is saying that to add the package for button, press Alt Enter. If I press Alt plus Enter, then you can see here automatically the import statement has been added. Similarly, if I want to define radio button, and then click on space bar, then also it is showing click Alt plus Enter. If I click on Alt plus Enter, then you can see here it imported android.widget.radio button. So like this, if I want to use different classes, I need to import the packages by clicking on Alt plus Enter. However, while developing big applications, we generally use plenty of classes, and each and every time we define a particular class, we use a particular class, we need to import the specific package related to that particular class. To avoid that, Android Studio provides the auto import facility. Now let us see how it works. So I will be deleting these two packages as well as this radio button class. To enable that option, just go to File and then select Settings. In File Settings, there will be Editor option. You can see here Editor option. Just click on the greater than symbol. Then you will have plenty of options. In these options, click on the greater than symbol in General. Now you can see the auto import option. Click on auto import, and then auto import is already enabled for XML as well as C++. But by default, it is disabled for Java as well as Kotlin. So now if I want to enable the auto import option, then just enable these two checkboxes. Add unambiguous imports on the fly, optimize imports on the fly. After enabling these two options, click on Apply and then click on OK. Now see the magic. For example, if I type button and then space, you can see here automatically android.widget package has been imported. Similarly, I'm going to remove button. It will be automatically removed. Now let me try with the checkbox space. You can see here checkbox has come. Similarly, radio button. You can see there radio button has been included. Like this, whenever you take a class, then the related package will be automatically imported, which is a very useful feature provided by Android Studio. Hope you understand the logic. Thanks for watching. That's all for now.